Can you imagine unobstructed main channel views in the heart of Osage Beach at the 21-mile marker? Come check out my newest listing at the Ledges, unit number 948. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo has engineered hardwood floors, vaulted ceilings, and inlaid tile floors in the kitchen. This unique complex comes with not one, but 2 swimming pools, a beach, and this unit comes complete with a 14x40 boat slip and BWC slip. To make this top floor unit with brand new decks yours, give us a call. Krantz & Associates, Remax, Lake of the Ozarks at 573-302-2355.